Someone yawned near you today, and now you can't stop. You didn't even have to see it. Maybe you just read the word yawn, and yet, here you are. This has nothing to do with being tired. Your brain has something called mirror neurons. When you see someone do something, your brain quietly does it too. It's why you flinch when someone else gets hit. Your brain doesn't just watch, it participates. The more you catch other people's yawns, the more empathetic you are. That's not weakness, that's your brain saying, I feel you. If you just yawned reading this, follow for more.